Welcome back students. We are discussing the topic parts and whole. Today we are going to discuss subtopic finding parts and whole in relation to rupee and paisa, kilometer and meter and day and hours. In the last two topics you learn how to find part of a whole. Here today we will find out what is the part of that whole in relation to practical example rupee and paisa, meter and kilometer and day and hours. So first we will discuss in relation to rupee and paisa. In standard 4 you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. That means 50 paisa is a half part of rupee or half rupee. 25 paisa is a 1/4 part of rupee because 25 is a half of 50. Then 20 paisa is a 1/5 part of rupee, and similarly 75 paisa is a 3/4 part of rupee. So this part all we have discussed in the last topic. What is the part of that whole? Here today we will discuss about what is the part of whole, how to find the part of that whole. So let's discuss. 20 paisa is a dash part of rupee. Here I have written here. You can see, and you know 20 paisa is a 1/5 part of rupee. So we have to find how this 1/5 part comes. Then we are going to learn how we will find this 1/5 part. So 20 we are finding 20 upon 100. 20 means it is given 20 paisa. We are finding what part of rupee it is. So rupee, for 1 rupee how many paisa? 100 paisa. So 20 divided by 100. 20 के 20 पंचा 100 is equal to 1 upon 5. So here that means 20 paisa is a 1/5 part of rupee. So you learn today how to find this part, 1/5 part. Okay. Then one more example we will discuss. 75 paisa is a dash part of rupee or odd part of rupee. So here 75 divided by 100. So 25 3 75 25 100 is equal to 3 upon 4. So it is 75 paisa is a 3/4 part of rupee. So this is two example I think well enough to satisfy or to know what is the part of that whole. Then here one more practical example we will take in relation to kilometer and meter. This also you learn in first center. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That we have learned. That means 500 meter is equal to half kilometer. Then 250 meter is equal to 1/4 kilometer. That means when you walk 250 meter, this is a what part? 1/4 part of kilometer. So you run 1/4 part of the kilometer. 200 meter is equal to 1/5 part, and similarly 100 meter is equal to 1/10 part. When you run 100 meter, that means you cover what part of kilometer? It is a 1/10 part of kilometer. Okay. Then we'll find out 500 meter is equal to dash part of kilometer. What is the part? 500 meter means what is the part of kilometer? So here 500 divided by what? Yes, it is a 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we are finding 500 meter is a what part of kilometer. So 0 0 50 के 50 50 जुना 100 is equal to 1 upon 2. So answer is 500 meter is a what part? Half part of kilometer, or it is also called as a half kilometer. One more example, 250 meter. That means you have to 250 divided by 1000. 0 0 cancel. 25 के 25 25 100 is equal to 1 upon 4. That means 250 meter. What part of kilometer? It is a 1/4 part, or it is also called as a 1/4 kilometer. So here we discuss about in rupee and paisa. Here we will discuss about kilometer and meter. Now we will discuss about day and hours, because most of our activity we do during the day hours. So first, this also you know that is one day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Yes, that also you learn in the fourth standard, and you know, you have knowledge that. That means one day is equal to 24 hours. That means 12 hours is equal to half day. Then 6 hours means 1/4 part. If we calculate 6 4 times is kachau piece. That means 6 hours means 1/4 part. 3 hours means 8 part. Atrik chauvis. Then 4 hours means 1/6 part. So this we know how to find our part. Now we'll discuss about 3 hours means what part. That also I have written here. You can see here. 3 hours means what is the part of the day? 1/8 part of the day. But we should know how it 1/8 comes. So 3 divided by 24. Why it is 24? Because we are finding the what part of day. One day is equal to 24 hours. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24 is equal to 3 ke 3 3 8 24. 1/8 is equal to, it is a what part? 1/8 part of, okay, 3 hours means 1/8 part of a day. Then 6 hours, we can say 6 divided by 24. So it is a 24 is equal to 1/4. So it is a 1/4 part of a day. Okay. Similarly, you can find the part of a meter, centimeter, then liter, milliliter. In this way, you can find out the different parts of different situation, like rupee and paisa, meter and kilometer, day and hours, meter and centimeter. You can find out. You can find out gram and kilo, kg. In the similarly, you can find out the different situation in your day-to-day life. So with this, we conclude here the topic part and whole. The example homework on this topic I will give you separately, which will send to your WhatsApp group. So still you have any difficulty, you have any problem in understanding the concept, please call me. And with this, I conclude the topic whole and parts and whole. Thank you.